Welcome to the top best. The best communion banner kits is probably one of the most meaningful ways to celebrate a child's first communion. These kits provide everything needed to create a personalized banner, a cherished keepsake. In this video, we'll explore some of the top kits available, highlighting their features, ease of use, and the overall value they offer to help you choose the perfect one for your child's special day. Number 5. Westmon Works First Communion Banner Kit. This kit from Westmon Works is perfect for celebrating a child's first communion. It's designed for both boys and girls, making it a versatile choice for any family. The kit includes everything needed to create a beautiful banner. It comes with pre-cut felt shapes, wood dowel, beads, pom-poms, and more. With the included instructions, assembling the banner is easy. The kit also comes with rickrack trim, a cord, and a glitter glue pen to add the finishing touches. Please note that craft glue is not included in the kit. You'll need to provide your own glue to complete the project. This kit is suitable for children ages 3 and up. It's a fun and memorable craft activity for the whole family to enjoy together. The finished banner will be a cherished keepsake for years to come. It's a wonderful way to commemorate this special milestone in a child's life. What we like? This kit is perfect if you're looking for a versatile option that works for both boys and girls. It comes with pre-cut felt shapes, making it easy for younger children to participate. If you want a memorable keepsake to commemorate this special occasion, this is the one. What people say. Easy to use and great quality. Perfect parts to allow creativity and to put everything together for first communion. Banner made it fun and easy, totally worth the price. This was a great kit. So easy to put together for church. Highly recommend. Number 4. First Communion Banner Kit, 12 by 18, Holy Spirit. This kit is perfect for creating a beautiful banner. It's a fun and educational project for both children and adults. The banner is a perfect size for display. It's designed to be a meaningful keepsake. The kit includes 39 pre-cut felt pieces. These premium quality pieces make the banner easy to assemble. With step-by-step instructions, it's easy to create. A detailed lesson on sacramental symbolism is also included. The kit comes with a wooden dowel, caps, gold cord, gems, glitter glue, and craft glue. Everything you need is included. This kit is recommended for children ages 6 and up. It's a great way to celebrate a special occasion. What we like? This kit offers a fun and educational experience with its detailed instructions and sacramental symbolism lesson. The premium quality felt pieces and included glitter glue add a touch of elegance. If you enjoy a more involved craft project with a focus on learning, you should consider this. What people say. The instructions were wonderful and described the significance of each decoration for the kit. It was fun and easy to put the pieces together just the way we wanted, and I liked moving the felt pieces around ahead of time to make it just right. This was an easy-to-assemble kit with plenty of leeway for appropriate personalization while still looking quality. Number 3. First Communion Banner Kit, Cross, Blue, Black. This First Communion Banner Kit is proudly handmade in the USA. It's crafted with care and attention to detail, ensuring a special and memorable experience for your child. The kit includes pre-cut, premium quality felt pieces. These high-quality materials make it easy and enjoyable to create a beautiful banner. Follow the step-by-step, full-color instructions. They guide you through the process, making it simple for children and adults to create a stunning banner. A free sacramental symbolism lesson is included. This helps children understand the meaning behind the symbols they are using, adding a deeper meaning to the project. The kit also comes with a felt base, dowel caps, gold cord, colorful gems, and glitter glue. Everything you need is included in the kit. This kit is recommended for children ages 6 and up. It's a fun and engaging activity for kids to celebrate their first communion. What we like? This banner is proudly handmade in the USA, ensuring quality and care. With pre-cut felt pieces and colorful gems, it's designed for ease of use. If you appreciate supporting local craftsmanship and want a kit with a touch of sparkle, it's a great choice. What people say. The kit includes everything needed to make a beautiful banner. The banner was easy to assemble. The finished banner was a great addition to the celebration. Number 2. CHRORINE God Bless Burlap Banner. This beautiful banner features the words God Bless and a cross printed on durable burlap. It's perfect for celebrating a special occasion. The rustic design adds a touch of charm to any event. The banner comes pre-strung, so there's no need for any DIY assembly. Simply hang it up and you're ready to go. It's a convenient and hassle-free decoration option. Each flag measures 5.5 by 7 inches, with approximately 9 feet of twine. It's the ideal size for hanging on walls or center tables. There's plenty of extra twine for easy hanging. Made from high-quality burlap, this banner is built to last. You can reuse it for future celebrations. It's a great investment for your special events. This banner is suitable for various occasions, including baptisms, first communions, and confirmations. It's also great for home decoration. It's a versatile decoration that fits many needs. What we like? This banner is ready to hang, saving you time and effort. Its rustic design adds a charming touch to any celebration. If you're looking for a convenient and reusable decoration, it's the perfect option. What people say? Well made and bright letters. Great size for this banner. Color was exactly as described. Great cost. Great size, easy to adjust, lightweight and durable. Number 1. Illuminated Ink First Communion Banner Kit. This beautiful banner kit is proudly handmade in the USA. It's crafted with care and attention to detail, ensuring a high-quality product for your child's special day. The kit includes pre-cut, premium-quality felt pieces. These pieces are designed to be easy to work with, making the crafting process enjoyable for children. The kit comes with step-by-step, full-color instructions. These instructions guide you through each step, making it easy to create a beautiful banner. Enhance the learning experience with a free sacramental symbolism lesson. This lesson helps children understand the meaning behind the symbols used in the banner. It also includes a 9 by 12 felt base, dowel caps, gold cord, colorful gems, and glitter glue. Everything needed to create a stunning banner is included. This kit is recommended for children ages 6 and up. It's a fun and engaging activity that allows children to express their creativity. What we like? This banner is proudly handmade in the USA, ensuring quality and care. With pre-cut felt pieces and colorful gems, it's designed for ease of use. If you appreciate supporting local craftsmanship and want a kit with a touch of sparkle, it's a great choice. What people say? This kit has great instructions and looks amazing when complete. Along with the instructions, the meaning behind each piece is explained as you put it together. Super easy to assemble, gives you all supplies needed and love the explanations about what the items represent. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.